Who says smart can't be stylish? Touchscreen deadbolt by Baldwin. Motorized lock convenience, smart home integration, and oh so beautifully Baldwin. Modern, rustic, traditional. Whatever the style, choose from 17 classic Baldwin finishes. Touchscreen is beautiful, inside and out. Activate touchscreen with the palm or back of your hand. Secure screen technology ensures your codes cannot be identified by residual fingerprints. A programmable 4 to 8-digit code effortlessly unlocks your door. Cool white LEDs offer superior visibility day or night, while one-touch locking means quick departures. A visual indicator informs you of your lock status. Locked blinks amber. Unlocked blinks green, while red blinking indicates it's time to change the batteries. Program up to 16 user codes for family, guest, and service professionals, up to 30 user codes with optional Z-Wave technology, and a master code feature that requires a master code to add or delete users. 30-second auto lock ensures your home is secure, even if you forget to lock your door. Touchscreen deadbolt offers easy access to batteries for replacement, and the tapered bolt design makes proper installation into existing jams simple. Optional Z-Wave technology features security encryption and allows your touchscreen to seamlessly integrate with smart home devices via a required smart home hub. Check lock status, monitor history, remote lock and unlock the touchscreen deadbolt. Touchscreen deadbolt means smartphone convenience. Keyless entry, Z-Wave smart home integration, available in a wide array of styles and finishes. Smart and stylish. Touchscreen deadbolt. Beautifully Baldwin.